What if I told you your gut is the true control center of your health, and feeding it the right foods could completely transform your well-being? These days, gut problems are more common than ever thanks to poor lifestyle choices and a messed-up microbiome. But here's the secret. You can fuel the good bacteria in your stomach and start feeling better by eating the right foods. Today, I'm revealing 5 powerful superfoods that can completely upgrade your gut health. Ready to unlock a healthier, happier you? Let's dive in. These 5 magical foods that can cleanse your gut and boost your health, all while supporting your digestive system. Yes, there are natural foods that act like a reset button for your gut health. If you've ever struggled with bloating, poor digestion, or low energy, the solution might be simpler than you think. First up, we have asparagus, a true gem for your gastrointestinal health. Asparagus is loaded with fiber, which is essential for keeping your gut in top shape. Just half a cup of asparagus provides 1.8 grams of fiber, about 7% of your daily fiber requirement. But why is fiber so important? Well, asparagus contains both insoluble and soluble fiber. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool, helping with regular bowel movements, while soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in your digestive tract, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. More healthy bacteria equals a stronger immune system and more nutrients like vitamins K2 and B12. Here is a quick tip. Toss some grilled asparagus on your salad or enjoy it as a side dish. It's an easy way to power up your digestion. Next, let's talk about sauerkraut, a classic gut-friendly food that's been around for centuries. Sauerkraut is finely shredded cabbage that's been fermented by lactic acid bacteria. This process creates a superfood packed with beneficial bacteria or probiotics that your gut loves. When your gut is happy, the whole body follows. The probiotics in sauerkraut promote healthy digestion, boost immune function, and help maintain a balanced gut microbiome. Quick tip. Enjoy sauerkraut on its own as a snack or pair it with your favorite meal. It's a delicious way to improve gut health. Now let's move to pickles, those tangy, crunchy snacks that are much more than just a side dish. Pickles, or gherkins, are cucumbers preserved in a saltwater solution, and they're packed with probiotics that are great for your digestive system. The lactic acid found in pickle juice helps your stomach break down food more efficiently, which in turn boosts nutrient absorption. So every time you munch on a pickle, you're helping your body absorb more nutrients from your meals. It's a simple but effective way to support gut health. Here is another quick tip. Pair a pickle with your lunch or enjoy it as a tangy snack to improve digestion. Apples, the gut-nourishing prebiotic. Apples can be a game-changer for your gut. These delicious fruits are not only hydrating but also packed with a special type of fiber called pectin, which acts as a prebiotic. Prebiotics are like food for your good gut bacteria. Apples help increase beneficial bacteria like bifidobacteria while reducing harmful bacteria in your digestive system. So every time you snack on an apple, you're giving your gut bacteria the fuel it needs to thrive. So, enjoy an apple as a midday snack or toss some slices into your smoothie for an extra gut boost. And last, but certainly not least, we have yogurt. His creamy, delicious dairy product is packed with active probiotics that are essential for keeping your intestines healthy. These live bacteria help balance the gut flora, enhancing nutrient absorption and improving overall digestion. But here's the catch. Not all yogurts are created equal. Look for ones with active cultures to ensure you're getting the beneficial probiotics that your gut needs. Yogurt is not just a snack, it's a digestive powerhouse that can relieve issues like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and even protect against osteoporosis. Here is how you can enjoy it. Make yogurt a part of your breakfast by adding it to smoothies, or enjoy it with some fresh fruit for a healthy snack. So there you have it. 5 amazing natural foods that will cleanse your gut like magic. Whether you're adding more fiber, feeding your good bacteria, or enhancing nutrient absorption, these superfoods are the secret to a healthier, happier gut. Start incorporating these foods into your daily routine and watch your digestive health improve. Which of these superfoods are you excited to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on living your healthiest, happiest life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.